Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a penguin unicorn. So let's get started. To draw this cute penguin that wants to be a unicorn, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it and draw another circle. Let's say about right here. Just enough room for a beak in between. There. So now I have my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And and lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So what would you call this? A penguin uni penguin, or a penguin uni, or a I don't know, what would you call this? Let me know in the comments below. Or penguin corn, right? There's just so many options. And lines at the bottom. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's go above each eye. But you know what, let's do that later. Let's figure out the beak first. So it's coming between the eyes and about right here. I'm just gonna draw in this big curve, a little bit higher towards the center and come right back down. And then I'm gonna round off the corners right here and then connect it with a soft, wide V. There. And then now that I have that, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'll come to say like the bottom of my eye. I'm just going to come out a little bit. Let's say about right here. And do the same thing over here. So I'll say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'm basically going to draw a curve over this. So I want to go around the eye. So right here, I'm going to start, go up. And I'll find my center. So I'll go up all the way nice and high to say about right here, which is about my center. Fix my curve now that I know where it is, and then I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing on the other side and come right back down to the point I've created right there. So now that I have this curve in, I'm going to bring it down. So to create the face, I'll bring it down for some nice round cheeks and come in about right here. So our little penguin here is wearing a unicorn hoodie. And about right there. So we create the shape. Then I'll come back up here and just draw a soft curve over each eye. Fix my eye here. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to come right back to here. And let's come up a little bit and out. So let's say about right here and here. And I'm going to thicken this hoodie. So I'm going to come up. It's going to be thinner at the bottom right here, and we're going to get a little bit wider as we come up. So let's just work on this side. I'm going to bring it up nice and round to about right there. Same thing over here. So thinner and then wider as we come up. So I'm just going to drag a point across because it's easier for my hand to come down. So I'll say about right here. Draw downwards. So turn your paper if you need to, whatever helps for you to draw these curves, and connect. So just drawing the top part here. And because I'm using a Sharpie and I don't want to erase, I'm going to draw the horn first. But if you're using a pencil, just finish this curve. So I'm going to find my center about right here and about in this area. I'm going to give myself a point. That's my center. And I'm just going to draw a curve right here for our horn. And I'm going to go up, let's say about this much. I'm going to round off this tip and come right back down to connect. There. And then around this horn, I'm going to draw the mane. So let's say about right here. So I know kind of this is going to go up. So say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead. Draw this curve that winds down, round it off, and overlapped, and then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. And then I'll go ahead and finish my curve. So just come right back right here and finish it up. There. And then for some ears on this hoodie, I'm going to come right here and just pop out a curve, soft curve, round off the tip and bring it down. And then I'll just add a little curve right here. So same thing here, but right here. And I'm just going to drag a point across, so approximate, say about right here. So I know where I'm going. So about the same height on both sides. Round off the tip. Then come right back down. There. And once again, same thing, a little curve. From there, I'm going to add some details on this horn. So I'll say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just add some curves just to give our horn some dimension. And also, this way you can put in some color in your horn if you want to. There. And also this part right here, you could put in some color as well. So I'll separate it. Separate the strands, maybe just 3. Let's see here. Let's go this way on this one. There. Okay, so then now to draw the cute little body, I'm going to bring this, well, you know what, let's do this part first. So we have this is the inner part, and I'm going to come out right here and here, and then in this area, I'm going to pop out, come down here and here. So I'm going to come out here, one more layer, and one more layer. And then this is where I'm going to pop in this little wing. So I guess I should draw this first. Okay, so I'm going to, sorry, just figure out what is easier. So I come down and around. So I'm just skipping a little bit space because I want to put the little hands in there. So come down right there and bring it in. So just draw a short little body to make it extra cute. And about in this area, if you're using a pencil, just connect this curve. I'm going to stop about right here, right underneath the eye, and I'm going to pop in this little foot. So I'm just going to draw a curve and add 3 little curves at the bottom. The line, and same thing over here. So right underneath, so say about right here. 3 little curves. There, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect. There. And then now we can go ahead and finish this part and just bring it in and taper it in so it gets a little bit thinner as we come to the bottom. A little bit thinner as we come to the bottom. There. And then for the little hand, so come right here. We're going to pop out, curve, and then about right there. I'm going to round off the tip and bring it in. So same thing here. Round off the tip. About right there. And connect. There. So then now that we have that done, I think that is pretty much it for this uni penguin. And I'll add a little heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you loved how this penguin unicorn turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if you loved it, please make sure to give me a like and of course subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.